Oh my god. I'll just stretch it every market open. Oh. Oh. Dude, my sternum popped. Oh my god. So, have you guys ever had these? They're good. They're so good. But also they're actually healthy. Right? Like no high risk ingredients, guys. So you need to be paying attention to. All right. Anyway, let's get into the trade recap. Boom, 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 boom. I was originally bearish today, and I made $150 because I messed up my lot size. It's like the third time I've done it. On, like, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm just an idiot. We had this 12-hour gap right here. Boom. That we were in pre-market. Let's go to the 15-minute. We have this 30-minute gap right here, and we had a okay. Let's start down here. We respected so many 15-minute gaps like this one right here. Boom, respected. In Asia, boom. This one respected. Boom, push higher. This one tap right here. Boom, push higher. Then sweep of London lows with a 15-minute gap, push higher. Okay, then that brings us to the 15-minute. 15-minute right here. Sorry, 30. That was a 30-minute that I marked out pre-market. Didn't get tapped into yet. And then we were in a 5. Okay, then coming in here, 5-minute gap, right? So there's a 5-minute gap. OTE of the range, in this 5-minute gap. I was bearish because I wanted lows. Like, I wanted all these lows. It's so much lows. So many lows below us, okay? We had all of this, okay, with low resistance. Plus, we had this low right here. And we had Asia low that never got swept on ES. Same with okay. I was really not targeting lows. I was targeting my 30-minute gap here, which actually was the play of the day. Okay, play of the day, and I didn't take it because I'll get into it. Okay, and we had Asia lows down here, and London lows got swept, but we could still take out these lows. All right, take out that low again. But it happens. Let's get into this. So we had. Oh, that's my trade today I took, but heat of rock. Heat of rock. Okay. So boom. Right, 5-minute OTE. We bobble around in this 5-minute gap while it was also in a 5-minute gap. Right, there's a 5-minute gap here on ES. So that also tapped 0.5 and we dumped right off that, and I was like, okay, both pairs look great. I wanted to short and I couldn't figure out my lot size today. Something I don't know, it was so I'm an idiot, okay? So I didn't get the trade. I wanted to take the displacement off of this. I wanted to take this short right here all the way down to this low right here. This low. Instead, I just missed the whole entire move. Yeah, I'm actually missing a. Hold on. I'm missing my gap. My gap's not here. See, I'm not a fraud, okay? I'm not a fraud. I know what I'm talking about. But this but I was hoping this would get tapped into today, and it did. And I should have taken it. I should have, but I just was also kind of bearish. I was just so bearish as well. Like, I was bearish to this gap, but I was also bearish to lows, but I wanted this gap taken out. Like, it was my target. And I ended up just not taking the trade. So what did I do instead? Why didn't I take it? Well, I was going to take it off this change state of delivery on the 32nd, but I was like, the displacement wasn't there for me. Like, I didn't really like it. All the shorts were still in my mind. Well, it ripped, and I could have made a lot of money. Instead, I just sat here looking at these candles for I don't know how long, 30 minutes probably. Yeah, it was like 30 minutes. That was awesome. I never take a trade this late usually, but today just for me, I got to take a trade super fucking late. So yep, I tapped into that gap, and I was like, okay, well, now I'm looking for longs. I mean, once we broke past these highs on both, I was like, okay, now I'm looking for longs. All right, so, well, not necessarily. I was also kind of looking for shorts I was looking for shorts off of some. It just depended. Okay, I'm not gonna get too far into it. Let's just talk about what I took. Okay. So, because that would take forever. Tap into this 5-minute gap, push higher. I wasn't really what I could have done on this trade reel was take a 30-second change of state of delivery trade, and I would have banged, right? But I didn't, because there's 5-minute gap plus this, lowers this liquidity, and we push higher. I should have taken it. What I should have. I don't know. I was still shorts were in the back of my mind. Shorts were in my mind. Because we tapped. I was thinking about taking a short here. We tapped into this gap right here. We pushed lower, but then I wasn't, on me. Okay, but then we come in this 2 hour gap plus Asia highs. Okay, this is where it gets good. Okay, 2 hour gap, Asia highs. Yep, you already know I took a good trade off this. So, what was my trade? So 2 hour gap tap, sweep. We then, what was the trade? 1 minute, 1 minute change of state of delivery. Yeah. 1 minute change of state of delivery. A beautiful displacement candle. On the 30. Let's look at the 30-second. Look at this candle. Wait, no, that wasn't. I'm trying to. Oh, we had this candle down. Okay, that sweeps a lot of liquidity. Okay, that sweeps a lot of price. All right. So then we made another very nice push lower after. Oh, okay. You can't see my finger. I'm an idiot. So we sweep. Okay, this one sweeps a lot of liquidity. We close bearish. We make very nice pushes lower after as well. Okay, because we tapped into a 3-minute, 1 minute gap, something like that. Oh, I know what it was. It was on. I'm so sorry. Like, I'm just out of it, bro. This is not a good trade recap today. We tapped into a 3-minute gap on ES, and we pushed higher on both a little bit. We took a move higher, and then we come back down, make a very nice displacement. As you can see, look at that, very, very beautiful. We close right here. I enter on the close and the change state of delivery right here. So here's the change state of delivery. And then the candle closes here. Enter here. My take profit was at the bottom of this gap. My stop was at the top of the wick. And I ever? No, I was. Yeah, I was in. Well, I don't remember. Oh, it was probably almost instantly. We got a very nice move, and I got instantly take profit. So, but then I never saw any drawdown that trade. So it was a pretty good trade. I can't lie, it was a good trade today. Something I wouldn't normally take, and I should have taken my other trades. I should have taken that 30-minute gap, but I didn't, and I could have held this lower, way lower, but it happens. But yeah, that's it for me. I don't think I have anything else to say other than hope you guys had a good trading day today. We have Friday tomorrow, so be careful. And that's all I got for you guys. Good luck. See ya.